Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm reviewing the brand new Govee Curtain Lights Pro. Now if you've seen the first or second generation, you know that Govee has been transforming smart lighting since 2017. But this Pro version takes things to an entirely new level. And it's not just for casual users anymore. Whether you're decorating your home or creating content for social media, this one is designed to deliver richer, smoother, and way more customizable lighting shows. Now this is what you get in the box. There's some instructions, also the power adapter, some clamps and screws so that you can mount your curtain lights. In the bottom here, there's some mounting brackets and the curtain lights itself and the controllers. Now the installation is super easy actually. The app tells you everything that you need to know on how to install it. I'm just gonna do a time lapse here so you guys can see what I did. But basically, if you follow the instructions in the app, it will help you a lot better than I do. So right now we just finished installing all of the lights. That's two sets right there, and they're kind of in two separate designs right now. We're gonna open our app here on Govee. Basically, we're gonna add both of them on there. Hit add right there. Boom. And there we go. We're all connected to the app. Here you can upgrade your or update your device as well. So right here we have the, if you go to the settings of the Curtain Lights Pro, there's the width expansion right there. And here you'll be able to rearrange whichever one is on this side. Right now it's clearly like this. That's how it looks like up there. So once we're ready, we can go back. And now we can put scenes on both sides. There you go. Now, one of the biggest upgrades is the pixel density and clarity. The Pro has a 30 by 32 pixel matrix with the 960 RGBIC LED beads. That's nearly double the detail of the older models. Each LED can pull from 16 million colors using Govee's Uni-IC control. But what does it mean in real life? You get clear visuals, even close up. Snowflakes don't look like blurry bobs anymore. They look sharp and defined within 2 meters. And then there's the animation engine. Thanks to the 20 times faster processor and a 30 Hz refresh rate, animations like puppies chasing frisbees or Pac-Man actually looking buttery smooth. No choppy movements, just silky GIF style effects. Now when you compare this to the first and second gen curtain lights, the difference is obvious. The older models maxed out at 520 LEDs with the 7.5 centimeter spacing and 200 kilobytes GIF resolution. The Pro jumps to 960 LEDs, a tighter 5.5 centimeter spacing, and a massive 2000 kilobyte resolution. That means more layers, richer detail, and smoother movement. For example, the older lights could only show a single object, like a cake. The Pro can do a whole scene, cake, balloons, all layered together. Now this is my favorite part, the DIY creation tools. The Pro comes with a 30-layer canvas where you can upload photos, GIFs, or use 1,000 plus presets from the gallery. And you can even generate designs using AI prompts. And the AI creates theme designs for you, which you can still tweak layer by layer. Now it's basically zero learning curve. Each beginners can click a template, while advanced users can stack layers for a crazy detailed designs. I tested it by creating Christmas theme with falling snow, a twinkling tree, and rolling gift boxes all in one scene. Now, of course, the Pro still has the practical features you'd expect, with the over 250 scenes modes for year-round use for holidays, sports, even gaming and nature, a built-in wall-sized digital clock display, 10 music sync modes that pulse with your beats, easy installation with fixing bars and hooks, IP67 waterproof rating, so these work outside year-round. Now, one really cool feature is the width expansion. You can actually splice up to 3 sets together to create a massive 15.6 feet by 5.7 feet lighting canvas. This is perfect for big spaces like garage door, floor-to-ceiling windows, or even outdoor walls. And it's not just bigger. Govee built in 50 plus cascade-specific dynamic scenes are designed for multi-set setups. That means animations flow naturally across expanded canvas, creating a professional level light show right at home. Now, one last thing here is that Govee also introduces the Scene Stage, a feature that syncs multiple devices together with spatial awareness. Instead of each device running, separately, effects flow across them like one giant coordinated show. You can add music sync on top, and you basically got a professional level light concert in your living room. Now, the Curtain Lights Pro are launching at $199.99 USD. That's a step up from the Curtain Lights 2 at $149. But with the double the LEDs, 30-layer customization, AI tools, and smoother animations, you're definitely getting what you pay for. So that's the Govee Curtain Lights Pro. From sharper visuals to AI-powered creativity, this really is the most advanced set of curtain lights I've ever tested. I'll drop the purchase links in the description below once they're live. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what design would you create first with these lights. And if you have any question, you can ask me there as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!